Fellow email warriors, welcome back to the channel. Now, let's be honest, who doesn't love a good email? Well, except when your boss sends you a three-page email that looks like a novel, right? Or when you try to send a professional email but end up sounding like you are texting about your best friend. Hey, can you please do this? Yeah, not exactly the vibe you want in the workplace. Don't worry, today we gonna fix that. In this video, we are diving into the how to write a proper email in English, whether it's for work or school or even impressing that friend who always too busy to reply to your messages. We will go from hey, can you do this to dear sir or madam. I hope this email finds you well without the awkwardness. By the end of this video, you will be sending emails like a pro and maybe even start enjoying the process. Let's get started and turn those awkward in emails into masterpieces, and hey, who knows, you might just become the email guru in your office. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, in today's video, I am telling you about in the ChatGPT 3.5 how to write an email. So let's start and let's write our email into the ChatGPT 3.5. So let's start. Using ChatGPT 3.5 to write an email. So let's write an email using the ChatGPT 3.5. Right? So let's start. You can use ChatGPT to help you write different types of emails. Which types of emails? Different types of emails. Now, you use the ChatGPT as an assistant, helping you put the right tone and the format for your message. You can use ChatGPT for it. Okay, like an assistant. Okay. Now, define the goal of your email. First of all, you define the goal of your email. Like to help you write an email, ChatGPT need one context. If you want to write an email using a ChatGPT need one context. What is the goal of your email? For example, first, introduction to our potential client. Number 2, asking for a meeting. Number 3, job application. Or number 4, company announcement. Or number 5, formal request. Or number 6, formal complaint. Or number 7, response to a complaint. We will go through each time of these with examples, and by the end of this page you should have a good idea of how to use ChatGPT to write an email you need. Okay, now let's start. Email, introduction to potential client. Now, in this example, we want to showcase our services to who code with Ryan spaces to a channel with the web development course. The school is called Nowhere High, and the web development teacher is responsible for the curriculum and purchases for this course. Her name is not Barnetto. Okay. This type of one following prompt I am giving to the ChatGPT, like write a professional email introducing our services to potential client. The product is detailed here. The client name is not Barnito, and she is in charge of the web development course and nothing high, a high school in New York. So this type of prompt I am writing to the ChatGPT. So let's see which type of output it will give me. In the diagram, it give me this type of output, but let me see in the real life which type of output it will give me. So let's see. First of all, let me open my Google Chrome where I open my ChatGPT, enter, and I have already told you that I have to make an account in ChatGPT, that all thing. Now I am writing this type of prompt to the ChatGPT. So you press enter or press this arrow key. Okay, I am pressing enter using the mouse. Okay. So now let's see which type of output it is. First of all, it will give me subject. Empower your student with a modern web development tool. Then it give me dear Miss Barnito. Then give me I hope this email finds you well. My name is Ryan and I represent your company name, a leader innovative tools for learning and teaching web development, and it give me then key benefit for your program, and then give me in the end it give me warm regards, full name, position, company address, email address, phone number, website or international contact information. So like that it is giving me. So like that this type of one prompt I have written down, and it give me the output. And in the diagram it is in the diagram this the diagram is also be different. Okay, in the diagram it give me the output, it is different, and here it is giving me the output, it is also be different. Okay, there are the differences. Okay, let me come on to our second one. Now you can continue to refine this draft and make it your own, but ChatGPT gave us a good starting point. Okay, then you will copy this paragraph, or you can do the changes in the Word. Okay, like copy this all it, and then open your Word and paste this, and then you will be start your all the things. Okay, email asking for a meeting. Now number two is email asking for a meeting. So now let's come on our email asking for a meeting. In the example, we have made NTL contact with a northbound Nanto from the example above, and then we are trying to set up a meeting via a Google Hangouts. We are typically available for an hour at 16 GMT on Mondays and Thursdays, but are flexible if that does not work for the client. We want to discuss the possible plans available and answer any technical question they might have. For that, I am writing a one prompt to the ChatGPT, then the ChatGPT will give me the perfect answer, and then I will be work on it. So let's see which type of prompt I am writing it. I am writing a one prompt. I am giving to the ChatGPT, write a professional email requesting a meeting for a discussion about using the product like a Ryan spaces detailed here. The client has expressed interest and wants to know more about the product. The subject of the meeting is going through technical details and available plans. The client's name is not Nanto. What is the name of the client? Not Nanto. And she is in charge of web development course at Nothing High. Okay, this is the name of a school, a high school in New York. We are typically available for an hour at 16 GMT on Mondays and Thursdays via Zoom or Google Hangouts, but are flexible if that does not work for the client. So this type of a prompt I am giving to the ChatGPT. So let's see which type of output it will give me. So let me copy it, and in the diagram it give me this type of an output in the diagram. Okay, it give me one meeting agenda and that all thing. So let me see in the diagram. In diagram it is giving me this like this, and let me see which type of output it will give me. Now I create a new chat. Now okay, so now it starts to give me, first of all in the subject it can give me request for meeting to discuss Ryan spaces. You can see it that. In the number 2, here you write your own name. Okay, it is your own choice. Then it is giving me, dear Miss Benito, I hope this email finds you well. That it give me all the email like, thank you for expressing interest in Rihanna's pages for your web development course and Nothing High. Here you can see it. And then in the last it is giving me best regards, full name, job title, company name, and contact information. And in the diagram it give me very big output, but in the here it not give me any big output, it give me only small output. Okay, here you can see it. Simple output is okay. So you will be continued from it, you will be copy this all the email, okay, from here till here. Then replace your all the things like your full name, job title, company name, contact information. Then work on it this email. So now let's go on it the third email by the name of email job application. In the example, we want to apply for a job at codewithreact.com. Sorry, codewithpk.com. In the example, we want to apply for a job at the codewithpk.com. Okay. Now here we attach our CV to this email. Okay, we saw our LinkedIn post asking for a developers. Okay, like you are a developer or all the here. Okay, we have had 2 years of experience as a junior programmer and very familiar to with code with Ryan, code with pk.com. I'm taking my name. Okay, so and from for it I am writing one prompt. Okay, to that this prompt it will give me the one beautiful email. Then the programmer will be now. Okay, so let's copy this prompt and I'm writing a prompt to the ChatGPT. I'm giving it write a professional email responding to a LinkedIn post asking for a developers at the codewithrian.com. I have 2 years of working experience as a junior developer and I am very familiar with the company. My CV will attach to this email. So this type of one output, I am giving this type of prompt to the chat GPT. In the diagram, it give me this type of output, but let me see in the real life which type of output it gives me. So I am writing this prompt in my new chat, okay. So now it is giving me subject application for developer role. Then it give me dear receipt names. Then you will be write your receipt name. Then it is giving me I hope this email finds you well. I came across your LinkedIn post saying developers for code with Ryan. Here you can see it like this. Then it give me your full name, your contact information. Here you can see it. And then I have attached a CV for your review, which includes detailed information about my professional journey. I will thrilled to further discuss how my skills and experience could contribute to Code with Ryan ongoing success. So this type of one output will give me. Here you can see it. So like that, you will be also find a one very beautiful email draft like this. Here you can see it. Using this type of one prompt. Okay. Now let's come on one more. One more is email company announcement. In the example, we announce the not Bernanto who has been hired from by our company by the name of codewithrian.com as a junior developer. So I'm writing one prompt to the chat GPT. Which type of prompt? Let me explain you. I'm giving the chat GPT write a professional email introducing the Not Bernanto as a newly hired junior developer at a codewithrayan.com. Okay, so, copy it, come it here, and then create a new chat and then paste it. So now it is giving me this type of output subject. Welcome Not Bernanto, our new junior developer. Then it is giving me dear team. I am thrilled to announce that the Not Bernanto has joined the Ryan codewithrayan.com. Okay, as a junior developer. Not brings a strong foundation. You can see that in the last it is giving me your name, your position. Then I write here my website name. Then contact information. Okay, now in the diagram it give me this type of output, but in the diagram it is different and in here it is also be different. In this the subject is writing introduction to Not Bernanto, new junior developer at codewithrian.com, but in this it is giving me welcome Not Bernanto, our new junior developer. Okay, so now email, one more email formal request. In the example, we want to ask for the day of on the 17th of the May to celebrate Norway's National Day. Now, we understand this is not usually a day of in the USA, but we want to respect our Norwegian heritage with our family. So this type of a prompt I'm writing to ChatGPT. Which type of prompt? Let me told you. I'm giving you the prompt. Write a one professional email requesting the day of the 17th May of, and this is Norway's National Day. And how we understand that this is not usually a day off in the USA. We want to respect our Norwegian heritage with our family. This type of my prompt I am writing through a chat GPT. So let's see which type of output will give me. Copy. Let's come on to the new chat and then paste. So it is giving this type of output. Here you can see subject request for time off on May 17 of on Dongan National Day. Here you can see it. And give me dear manager's name, and then in the last it give me your name and best regards. Here you can see it. And it will give me this type of one paragraph. So, and this type of one diagram, in the diagram it will give me subject request for leave on 17 May Norwegian National Day, but in this subject it give me any request for time off on May 17 for Norwegian National Day. This is the same, okay. So request for time off on May 17 for Norwegian National Day, and then request for leave on 17 the Norwegian National Day. This is all the same. This is our subject are the same. It is not different, okay. Now, one more is come email formal complaint. Email formal complaint. In this example, we want to complain about the lack of parking spaces around our office building. This one following prompt. In this following prompt, I am giving the ChatGPT write a one professional email complaining about the lack of parking spaces around our office building. So this type of an output I am writing to the ChatGPT. So let's see which type of output it will respond me. So copy it and then paste it. Okay, this saying me no more is generated. Let me see. Okay. By some mistake my net has been off. So when it will be opened, then we will continue. Okay. But anyways, let me show you our diagram. This is one diagram, you can see it. Subject request for resolution, lack of parking spaces around our office building. Then give me, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to bring to your attention the prescient issue of the inadequate parking spaces available around our office building. Here you can see this type of one diagram it is giving me. Okay, so let me come on it here, and now my net has been game, and now it has been connected. Let me connect it. Okay, now it has been connect. Now when I open it and then when I run it, let me run it. So let's see which type of output it will give me. Now it is giving me this type of output subject concern regarding insufficient parking spaces. Then give me dear receipt names. Then in the last it give me your name, full name, then your position, then company name, company information. Then you replace that all thing in the word. Okay, you write here your full name, your position, company name, or company information. Now in the last there is come email response to complaint. In the example, we respond to the complaint above the third parking situation could be better. It is the best that we can do with the current regulations. So this type of prompt I am writing to ChatGPT, and this is our last prompt. I am writing to the ChatGPT. Respond to the complaint above that third. The parking situation is less than ideal. It is the best we can do with the current regulations. So copy it and then paste it. Let's see which type of output it will give me. So now it is giving me subject reconsent regarding parking spaces, and then give me dear your name. Then you write replace here, you write your name, and then it will give me this type of one email. Okay, then it give me your receipt names, receipt position, building management team, then contact information. Here you can see it, and you write this all the things in the word. Okay, so like that. So and I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video, I told you about how to write an email in ChatGPT 3.5. And in today's video, I told you about the introduction to potential client, asking for a meeting, job application, company announcement, formal request, formal complaint, respond to the complaint. Many things I told you about in today's video. So if you enjoyed this video, so please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future latest videos. And there you have it. Now you are ready to write emails that will make you sound like a pro, no more awkward. Hey, what's up? In your subject lines. Who knew email writing could be this fun? Hopefully, next time you send an email, it wouldn't just be a reply or this seater. It will be a masterpiece. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends who definitely need some email help. Until next time, happy emailing and remember, keep it classy and not cringy. So now, I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.